What's up, guys? VHS Voyager here, and today we're going to be looking at a band called Silent Planet. These guys are a metalcore band from California. They've been around since 2009, and they just dropped a new album a few days ago called Iridescent, and we are going to check out The Sound of Sleep, which is a song off of that record. I haven't really heard these guys. I've heard of them, but I have never listened to them. I know they have like 3 past albums that they've released over the years, but I don't think I've ever heard anything off of them. So I just saw that these guys dropped a new track or a new album, and we're gonna check it out. So yeah, let's just jump into it and see what we got. Okay. They got clean and harsh. Harsh more in the background. Oh. Holy shit! That sounds great. Nice. They have different styles of harsh vocals. I like that. It's pretty dissonant guitar work. Sounds cool though. Oh. They added something post-production in the background here. It sounds really cool. Nice cleans. A lot of tom work in this song, on the toms. That was an interesting build-up sound. Ooh! The hell was that? Sheesh. Okay. Well, that was a banger, dude. That was a banger. Yeah, so I didn't know what to expect going into this. These guys are really cool. So, not your run-of-the-mill metalcore band by any means, that's for sure. I think their instrumentals were a lot more atmospheric than your typical metalcore band. They definitely I don't know, they have that rounded out sound. It was almost dissonant in some parts. The guitar pieces were a little dissonant and dark sounding chords and ambient, and it sounded really nice. The vocalist is freaking awesome. I don't know, I'm assuming this is just one vocalist because he's got, I noticed 2 different styles of harsh vocals in there. You have this, what you're hearing right now, and then later they had like more like a shouting scream. There's a little more talk scream, which is cool. And then his cleans, really good, has nice range. Towards the end of the song, he had a very much higher octave range of the vocals. And yeah, the drums were popping off, a lot of tom work, making it groove, and it was a really, really cool track. They also had some interesting, I think it was added post-production, like sounds in the background that are pretty ambient, that you really have to listen for to hear. You can even hear it in this part, I think. You can kind of hear it if you listen for it. Almost sounds like a female vocal or something, but not quite. But yeah, I really like those little things that artists add into their music to give it an extra layer, extra flavor. So I did really appreciate that was added in there. It sounded really nice. And then the end, they have this like screeching build up into the breakdown, and they just end on this slamming breakdown, and it just instantly, abruptly ends at in that breakdown at the end there, which I don't know, is really cool. Really, really, really cool song. So I'm gonna have to check out this album, listen to the full album. Maybe I'll do that at some point today, even, just because I really enjoyed this, so I'm excited to see what else they put out with this album. But yeah, that's all I have to say, so that's going to do it for me. Let me know what you guys think. So you guys like Silent Planet? Have you heard this album? What do you think? What are your thoughts on this song? And yeah, drop your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you guys have any music recommendations for me, also drop them in the comments below. I do read your comments. I get to recommendations. And yeah, that's going to do it for me on this one, guys. So until next time, Voyager out.